Edible Element 2023 MCQ. A tennis ball is dropped onto the floor from a height of 9.8 meter. It rebounds to a height 5 meter. Ball comes in contact with the floor for 0.2 second. Then average acceleration during contact is x small g is 10 meter per second square. Here h1 is 9.8, h2 is 5. Initial velocity is 0, final velocity is 0. So velocity of the ball just before the contact is root 2 gh1 and velocity of the ball just after contact, that is root 2 gh2. So here average acceleration is equal to v2 minus v1, because here v1 along negative y-axis and v2 along positive y-axis, upon 0.2. So root 2 into 10 into 5 minus plus v1 is root 2 into 10 into 9.8 upon 0.2. So here it is 10 plus 14 upon 0.2. So 24 to 10 raised to minus 1. So answer is 120 meter per second square. That is the average acceleration. Thank you.